Hi everyone, it's Christine from Dawtek. I wanted to do a quick little video today about how to customize a tender template. I thought it'd be quite relevant seeing you've all downloaded my free tender template that you can use in your business. So here I have the tender template, and as you can see it's a lot of red and white because they're the colors that represent my business. But we need to brand this up to represent your business because part of a tender is about the submission and the professional look and the branding. So as you can see, there is a lot of red. This heading style, which says executive summary, I use the styles up the top, makes it a lot easier for customization and using tables of contents. So one of the things that we need to do is we need to update this red. So for example, let's say your company is a green color. So if we right click and select modify, we can then format the border. We'll select the green, and then we will update the green so it's all around the box, and then we'll change the shading to be green as well. And as you can see, it's been changed. Perfect. It hasn't changed there, so you need to click back on the style, and as you can see, it's automatically been updated. The next thing that we need to do is update your company logo. So if you double click in the header or footer and select the logo there, you can then press delete, and now it's gone. So we need to insert a new picture. So what you need to do is you need to go to the location of your company logo, select that logo and insert it into the spot. Now, as you can see, the logo here is quite big, so we need to format and resize it and put it into position. So using your format button and the position button, in the layout options, select in front of text. Now that means that that logo will sit in front of any text or anything else in that header box. You can now resize it to suit the header and also move it to the location that you need. See, it's really that simple. The next thing in the footer, we need to update with your company name, and our company name is Bid Management. And we want to remove the red, so we can just change the color using the font function, and we're tendering to the Department of Human Services. Now the next thing we need to do is we close the header and footers. We need to update that front image. So as it's just an image, you can select it and then press delete, and it's automatically been removed. Then you can insert a picture which is relevant to the delivery of your products or services or the client. It's always really good to find images that are representative of what you're trying to do with this tender submission. Again, I've got an image. I select the position and the layout options and in front of text, which will then enable me to resize the image. Now, one of the other things I think is a good idea on a front page is to put the client's name and the name of the tender. So insert a text box, and then you can say I've just inserted it, and here we put name of tender, tender number, and it's the Department of Human Services. Now you can resize that information to make sure it fits the size of the box and stands out a little bit more. Often it's a good idea to remove the line or the fill of the text box so it just sits nicely in the area. So as you can see, that was really simple. So all you need to do now is to go through and update the information. Now other things are tables. You need to update that information. Now at the end, you can just update your table of contents by pressing F9, update table, and it's done. So I'm going to keep releasing more videos to show you how to update your tender documents to make these the best possible documents you can for your business and for your tender submissions. Thanks for listening, and feel free to post me a question if you need any further information. Have a great day.